So it is literally midnight. Like, I'm recording this video at 12:17 and it says Sunday, January 27th. But YOLO.
Pick a side. Nah.
Oh my god, I changed. Oh my god, they on the same.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Samira and I'm back with another video. And today, your girl's gonna be doing a attemption. It's not even a word. I don't know if it's a word. An attempt to put on fake eyelashes because I want to learn how to put on fake eyelashes, but I haven't been able to master it yet. So whenever I put it on, it just looks dumb, and I've only tried once. So let's try again. I decided to try again, but this time recording it, and y'all can see if it worked out or not, and then probably give me some tips in the comments on how to put on these damn eyelashes. You can only see my eyelashes if you're up close to my face, but like from a distance, it looks like I literally have no eyelashes. So we're gonna figure this out. I got my kit. I've been like racking on eyelashes. I have these ones, and a set of this. This one's already out of the equation because I think these ones are too thick and they look too fox. So I need it to look realistic because your girl's not gonna look stupid. I'm gonna see how they look. And I know you're not supposed to pull the eyelashes out with your hands because it may like break it or whatnot, but your girl don't got tweezers, so we're gonna have to figure this out. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna do it with these eyelashes. Alright, your girl came prepared with at least one thing. I got glue, and I got this glue from basically a hair store. And this is it, a strip lash adhesive. It contains aloe vera, so I don't know if that's good or not, but yeah, we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna attempt to put it on the line and not put a lot because I always put a lot. Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh my god, I sent the go in my eye, I sent the go in my eye, I sent the go in my eye. I think I did it. Oh, I did it. I did it. Yo, that was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Look at it. I think I may be using the wrong brand eyelashes. I don't know. This is my left eye because I'm predominantly more efficient with my left hand. So this is my left side. So I'm pretty sure the right side is gonna be way harder. And as you can see, like the end won't stay down. Like stay down. Overall, I actually did better than I expected. And I didn't poke my eye out. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Look at this. I'm not gonna let this glue go to waste. Something is off about it. Like, I think it's the eyelash itself that may be bad. I'm scared I'm gonna get glue in my eye, but I think it's too long. But it doesn't look bad, like. Oh, Oh, it's going in my eye. It's going in my eye. It's going in my eye. Now the glue done dried up, so I can't even fix it if I wanted to. I didn't do as bad as I expected to do. I low-key don't want to try to fix that because I'm going to end up getting glue in my eye and your girl's not trying to be blind. It just looks like my eyelashes. That's basically it. I kind of look crazy. I don't know if I do. Let me know in the comments how I did. Like I said, this is my only second time doing this. Kind of my first because I never really tried. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you guys for 400 subscribers. Also, we almost at the halfway mark, which is 500. And I'll see you in my next video.
You can catch me in the city, East Atlanta. You can catch me cruising down East Atlanta.
Call you back down. Leave me alone.